Good morning. I am Alok Kumar, student in Gangotia College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss about the engineering chemistry. Have unit third. What about is unit third? Unit third have specifications of not in specifications only about that is we need is discuss about the electrochemistry. That is electrochemistry and batteries. But I don't think I reach in batteries, but I discuss about the I discuss about electrochemistry. Now we will move on the next thing that will be what is electrochemistry? What is electrochemistry? It is a branch of chemistry. Okay. It is a branch of chemistry that deals with the that deals with the convert of chemical energy to electrical energy and vice versa is known as electrochemistry. What is cell? It is a device, but electrochemistry it is a branch. Then it is a device that convert the chemical energy to electrical energy is known as cell or vice versa. Next we move on two types of cell, electrolytic cell and electrolytic cell is also known as voltaic cell. But as a two type that is electrolytic cell and or voltaic cell and electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. That is, electrochemical cell is known as voltaic cell, not an electrolytic cell. That is okay. What is electrode potential? That the electrode potential is a it is a measure to the it is measured not in yes that is measure about the tendency of gain or lose of electron. It is a measure the tendency of metal that reach the lose and gain of electron that is known as electrode potential. Oxidose, oxidation potential. What is the oxidation potential? The it is measured to tendency of the metal that gain no oxidation that is all about lose of electron and if oxidized then that is oxidation potential and reduction potential it is measured to tendency of metal that gain of electron or reduction potential is known as reduction potential. Reduce is called potential gain of electron and reduce. How it works that is reduction potential that is gain of electron that is but gain of electron reduce I don't think about this and oxidation that is oxidize they if oxidize that is lose output that I don't think about how manage this in redox reaction. I don't think, but we call it next. And next we will discuss about difference between electrochemical or voltaic cell and electrolytic cell. That is, first difference will be both in cell which convert chemical energy to electrical energy, and electrochemical cell will be convert into electrical energy to chemical energy, not in chemical energy. That is chemical energy to electrical energy and voltaic, not electro voltaic cell is converted into electrical energy to chemical energy. Electrolytic cell will be or voltaic cell, not electrolytic, electrochemical. Electrochemical or voltaic cell will be convert chemical energy to electrical energy. Electrolytic cell will be converted electrical energy to chemical energy. And redox reaction takes place which is spontaneous and is responsible for the production of electrical energy. Redox reaction is a spontaneous reaction in chemical cells and that is responsible for production of electric potential electrical energy. And electrochemical electrolytic cell redox reaction is non-spontaneous and electrical energy is supplied so that reaction may take place. But electrolytic cell will be not in a redox reaction is spontaneous. We provide external electricity, then that reaction will be start and take place. That is the what difference of in electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. That is electrolytic will be converted into electrical energy to chemical energy to electrical energy. Electrolytic cell electrolytic cell will be convert electrical energy to chemical energy. Electrolytic cell will be electrochemical cell will be redox reaction is spontaneous. That is the reason. That is the reason, not in reason that is the responsible for the production of electrical energy. And electrolytic cell will be not redox reaction will be not non-spontaneous, then we provide external electricity, then that reaction will be take place. Electrodes used are of dissimilar material. We use electrode. What is electrode? If we connect external salt bridge or external salt bridge, I mean, that is the connection of one liquid another liquid to another liquid. But that that is related to metal and electro, electrode. That is the I don't think that is, but that is electrode. That is for electrode is a dissimilar material. That is first. Yes, if we connect zinc metal rod, then zinc sulfate, copper metal rod, that is known as copper metal rod. That is the different what dissimilar है dissimilar is material for both container. Electrodes may be used of similar or different material, but electrolytic cell will be used or same or different material. Doesn't matter what you use in your reaction, because you provide external electricity and they will take place of reaction. Now, each electrode is dipped in electrolytic solution of its our ion. What about each electrode? Yes, electrode is a metal rod and that metal rod will be dipped with same ion, not in different things of ion. That is, if you connect zinc metal rod, then you will dip about zinc sulfate. That is all ions present in whole solution. And electrolytic, both electrodes are dipped in same electrolytic solution. That is the same or different, but we will consider about same electrolytic solution. That is electrolytic cell. We will be electrolytic cell that have electrode dipped in only, not in on that is same electrolytic solution. Are you think about this situation? I don't know. Salt bridge is used for electrochemical cell. Salt bridge is not used. Electrolyte will not use in salt bridge. That is because that is the both are similar material and they will external battery connect and is charge will be is transfer, but not needed to any salt bridge and any other material, that is agar agar gel used in salt bridge. And Electrochemical cells are we do not use, but electrolytic cell will be started with use. That is thing. Anode is negative and cathode is positive. Are you understand this? Anode is positive and cathode is negative. I don't think whatever you choose anode, whatever you choose cathode, whatever you choose positive, whatever you choose negative. But anode is positive and cathode is negative. I don't think I exchange the both process. Anode is negative and cathode is positive for electrochemical cell. Anode is positive and cathode is negative is about electrolytic cell. Both are compare and you are more confused that is they manage this. Now electrons move from anode to cathode in external circuit. Electrons move from anode to cathode in external circuit. Electrons move from anode. That is, we are talking about what is the metal have metal wire will be move electron. That is external have cathode to anode, anode to cathode. Electron will be move on anode to cathode, anode to cathode, anode to cathode for electrochemical circuit, anode to cathode, anode to cathode. Anode is negative all about and anode is negative and cathode is positive. Anode is anode is negative and cathode is positive. Anode is negative and cathode is positive. Anode to cathode, anode to cathode, anode negative to positive, negative to positive. That is negative to positive electron will be yes. That is things about positive to negative current flow. It is things really thing. And for electrochemical electrolytic, anode is positive and cathode is negative. You will write down and try to make sense and then make a battery. Then you understand this part about positive and part about negative. Electrons are supplied by battery and enter through cathode and come out through anode. B. Electrons are supplied by battery. That electrolytic cell we will provide electrons and that anode will be anode cathode and come out through. We provide anode and cathode to out. That is thing about this. I don't understand. We will find it next time discuss about this. Now we will discuss about the working at anode, oxidation, zinc break to zinc to positive and to electron. Overall reaction that is discussed about electromotive force, EMF. EMF is the potential difference between the two electrodes of cam cells when either number or negligible is allowed to flow in the circuit. A cell, inert cell is in the situation you will discuss about the next thing because that we will not consider about present time. Now we will move on. Now we will move on. What about this? You whatever move on. Electronics, the fundamental of electronics. That we will discuss about the unit third have BJT and FAT, but we not move on FAT. That is what about the full form of bipolar junction diode and bipolar junction transition BJT and FAT field effect transistor. Field effect transistor. What is things have bipolar junction have divide also two parts that is NPN and PNP. That is NPN and PNP both are diode. They have used two diode for NPN and PNP. That is positive, negative, positive, and negative versus negative. You are you are thinking about anti-material and p-material. You are also using. Then we will explore this. Yes, it is the time terminal device named as emitter base collector. Yes, that is If we consider about size, we will discuss about what equipment and what we name suggest about transistor. They have one base terminal, one nahi. Starting about starting we will connect about NPN. We discuss about NPN transistor. If we discuss about NPN, then you move on PNP are all working as limited cell. First we will N type material, then we connect P type, then we connect N type, and we will P type have emitter, N type have emitter, P type have base, and next N type have collector. We need two batteries, one base terminal, one emitter terminal, and one is collector terminal. Okay, that is the circuit about transistor. That transistor is all about work in mainly work in that is low low to high. What about work this and क्या low to high करता है ये तुम जानो. I don't. The conduction of current takes place due to majority as well as minority charge carrier. That's why it is called bipolar junction transistor. Okay, we will move on next things. I don't think about whatever. It is formed by standard. That chapter will seen about the whole BJT in one shot, and we will not about any study about this. Only we will see about. If we study, then I understand you, but that time we are not capable to understanding you. Okay, then we will move on next time. That is, I can, I cannot understandable about this. Then we will move next on.